Welcome to NJDAM TV. How can you fix the airplane mode or to turn off and turn on airplane mode? Welcome to NJDAM TV. Click on subscribe. How can you fix this problem? Auto turn off or turn on airplane mode. To fix this problem, first of all, you have to open the setting of your computer. Setting of your computer to fix this problem of auto or automatic turn on or turn off the airplane mode. Go to the setting of your computer. You have to go to the apps and install default option feature. Apps. When you go to the apps, you have to click to the first of your apps, then click the arrow down arrow. When you get the airplane option, inside airplane mode HID mini driver, you have to uninstall it. Uninstall inside airplane mode HID mini driver. After installation of this driver, it stopped directly. Auto turning on or auto turning off. This, first of all, you have to restart in order to work. Restart now. Restart the computer to fix it well, to fix it completely. You have to restart the computer. Now it is turned off. Restart now. After restarting your computer, you have to turn on the Wi-Fi option. The Wi-Fi icon. When it's open, let me go to the Wi-Fi. Click on it. Then you can't use the layer. You have to click on Wi-Fi icon to open the Wi-Fi. Now auto turning on or auto turning off the airplane mode, it is stopped. I can connect to internet. I can do what I need by using internet. Now it's fixed. Well done. Thank you for watching. This is NJDAM TV. Click on subscribe. See you soon to another running lesson.